Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to reset Visual Studio Code settings or VS Code settings. So for us to be able to go ahead and reset this, the first thing that we need to do is to head here onto the settings. So for us to be able to locate settings, it is found here onto the bottom part of the screen where it says manage, click onto that and click onto settings. So you should be able to find something like this. So you'll just need to wait for this one to load and then right after, you'll just have to click onto this open settings icon, which is a JSON code. So as you can see, you could see the different settings that you have recently installed or modified onto your Visual Studio Code. So if you go ahead and remove all of this, then your settings will be reset to its default settings. So you'll just need to go ahead and remove this, or you could go ahead and also locate this using the search bar here onto the upper part. You'll just have to go ahead and type in this code and search open settings. So you should be able to find in this one as well in here. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto this one and then this should open also the same JSON file. So just make sure to go ahead and select all of this, remove this, and just leave this two characters in here to go ahead and reset your Visual Studio Code. So that is just basically it, how you reset Visual Studio Code settings or VS Code settings reset. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.